Hey folks, John Ferguson Smart here. I was talking to a student that I'm coaching recently, and when people come onto my coaching program, we sit down together and we work out a path to get to their goals. We talk about what they need to work on, what they need to improve, and where they want to get to and so forth. And this particular tester, he wanted to learn automation. He wanted to really get stuck into automation. And the thing that I wanted to explain was that learning all the tools, learning all the coding, learning all the technology is awesome. You do need to do that, and you do need to learn to do it well. But you can get stuck into it too early and too deeply and lose the vision of the bigger picture. It is really, really important not only to know how to automate, but also to know what to automate. And the what to automate, forget the pure testing pyramid, forget the different layers. I mean, that's all important, but it's not the key focus. The thing I wanted to explain is the what to automate comes from what are the key business goals, what are the key business needs. If you can get clarity on what the key business needs are, what the key business rules, examples and counterexamples of those rules, they are your starting point. You don't need to do any fancy prioritizing or hierarchies of needs or whatever. If you just know what the business need, that is enough. Start with some examples, start with some business rules, work through them. That gives you a much more powerful tool to be able to prioritize what you need to look at, what you need to understand, what you need to demonstrate, and then what you need to automate. And once you understand that, you can move on to how to automate, but the how becomes a lot easy because you've got clarity on the what. You've got clarity on understanding what it is you're trying to demonstrate to the business, what it is you need to prove works correctly, and what the various nuances and variations and edge cases are that you need to test and which ones are important and not important. You get clarity on that because you've understand where the business are coming from. So that's my message for today. Before you dive into the how, make sure you understand the what.